Kubernetes is made up of several key components that work together to manage the lifecycle of containerized applications. These components can be broadly divided into two categories: control plane components and node component. The control plane is responsible for maintaining the desired state of the Kubernetes cluster, managing workloads, and making decisions about the cluster. It includes the API server, etc., scheduler, controller manager, and cloud controller manager. The API server is the front end for the Kubernetes control plane. It exposes the Kubernetes API, which is the central interface through which all other components interact with the cluster. etcd is a key value store that Kubernetes uses to store all cluster data, including the configuration and state of the cluster. It is a distributed, reliable database that acts as the cluster's source of truth. The scheduler assigns workloads or pods to nodes based on resource availability and constraints. It ensures that workloads are distributed evenly across the cluster according to resource needs and other scheduling policies. If Kubernetes is running in a cloud environment, the Cloud Controller Manager interacts with the cloud provider's API to manage cloud-specific resources like load balancers and storage. The Controller Manager runs a number of controllers, which are background processes that ensure the cluster's desired state matches the actual state. Examples include the node controller, replication controller, and endpoint controller. Node components run on every node in the cluster and are responsible for managing the workloads assigned to those nodes. The kubelet is an agent that runs on each node in the cluster, ensuring that containers are running in the pods as defined by the Kubernetes control plane. kube-proxy is a network proxy that runs on each node and maintains network rules, enabling network communication to your pods from network sessions inside or outside of your cluster. The container runtime is the software responsible for running the containers, with examples like Docker, Containerd, and Sierra.io. These components provide additional functionality to Kubernetes clusters. Add-ons are additional components that provide extra features like DNS services, monitoring, logging, and more. Common add-ons include Core DNS for service discovery and Helm, a package manager for Kubernetes. An ingress controller manages external access to the services in a cluster, typically HTTP or HTTPS traffic. It allows you to define rules for routing requests to different services based on host names or paths. Together, these components form the architecture of a Kubernetes cluster, enabling it to efficiently manage containerized applications at scale.